In this lesson, I'm going to reveal to you the best way that you can have a strong internet connection during this network challenge era. Now, MTN apologizes for the inconveniences that its customers are facing. Many people are not able to call their friends. Many people are not able to have access to internet connectivity due to the current network challenge that we are facing in Ghana and some parts of Africa. So MTN apologizes for this challenge as they work on this network problem. Many businesses are not able to operate due to the network challenge. Banks are not able to pay workers due to this network challenge. So in this lesson, I'm going to reveal to you the best way that you can be able to have access to the internet, the best way that you can be able to have access to all websites, including Instagram, including Telegram, and every other website that you are not able to have access to due to the network challenge. So the only thing that you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to understand everything. All right, so let's quickly launch our Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. When we go to Play Store, we will search for this particular VPN. This is the VPN that will help you to have access to all websites. You can be able to browse all websites. So let's search for this VPN, XVPN. Then you click on the search icon. When you click on the search icon, you have it here. This is the XVPN that I'm talking about. This is the VPN that can help you to have access to all websites. You can browse all websites. All right, so this is the VPN that I'm talking about. So the only thing that you need to do is to click on install. You click on install to install this VPN on your device. This one will help you to be able to browse all websites. So let's wait for the app to be downloaded, then we continue with the lesson. So as you can see on your screens, the app is downloading. So let's wait patiently for the app to be downloaded. So as we are waiting for this app to be downloaded, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all, because we are going to upload more videos on how you can be able to have access to strong internet connection as they work on the network challenge, as they work on the network for us, as they work on the cables and the sea to be able to have access to the internet connection. So the app is downloading. That is the app. So if you think you are benefiting from this video, kindly subscribe to the channel as you wait for more updates on the network issue. All right. So our app is almost ready. Our app is almost ready. So please, that is how it will pop up on your phone. That is how it will pop up on your phone or on your device. All right, so the app is almost ready here. The app is almost ready. So it is installing. So let's wait patiently for the app to be installed. Then we take it from there. Alright, so we have our app here finally. So what you need to do is to click on open. Let's click on open to launch the application. So when you click on open, we have their privacy here. We have this information here for everybody to read. So what you need to do is to click on agree to terms and conditions. So all these are their terms and conditions. So you click on agree to terms and conditions, then we move to the next thing. So when you click on agree to terms and conditions, this is what you see. This is what you see. So they are only telling you to buy the premium version of this app, but because we don't want to buy the premium version, you click on the X there to cancel it. Now when we come to this section, this is what you see. This is the power button of the VPN, the XVPN. So what we need to do is to come and click on auto. When you download this app, it will be on auto. So you click on the auto. Let's change it to the recommended one. So when we scroll, this is what you see. Recommended. The UDP is the recommended protocol for us to use. So you click on the UDP. When you click on it, the app will automatically switch on for you. The app will automatically switch on for you so that you can be able to use it. So let's wait and see what is going to happen. Here, connection request. So XVPN wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust the source. So let's click on OK. Let's click on OK to accept. So let's see what is going to happen here. So good, the VPN is on now. So let's click on OK. Now let's come and click on the X to cancel that. Now you can see that VPN is on. So with this VPN, you can be able to browse all websites. So let me scroll here. You can see it at the top. You can see it at the top here. VPN. You can see it at the top. All right. So let me go back. With this VPN, you can be able to receive all WhatsApp messages. You can be able to receive all Facebook messages. You can be able to go to Telegram. You can be able to browse websites such as gracedata.company.site. You can be able to browse websites like drfaith.company.site. You can be able to browse websites like balancedata.company.site to be able to buy and sell your data bundle packages. So thank you very much. If you think this video has benefited you, then kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all as you wait for more important and more educative videos on this channel. Until then, I say thank you very much. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.